Well, it turns out that Elecrow sent me a Christmas bundle, and I have to apologise to them and to you because I legitimately forgot about it. I'm really sorry, but I received heaps of postage, and this was in a stack of boxes. I've still got some more down there to unbox, and it's been literally months. So, Annie, I'm very, very sorry that I haven't opened this sooner, but thank you in advance for sending it. I'm very curious as to what it has, and I haven't even made their video yet. They sent me a product that I was really interested in to make a video about, and I'm aiming to get to it this month, but I can't believe they still sent me something when I haven't even got there yet. So thank you. Let's check it out though. I'm really excited. I love free shit like everyone does. I'll put a link below to their store, by the way. They do some really cool stuff. They do a lot of garden products and garden sensors, watering systems and everything like that. And that's kind of where the company started, with the founder making his own indoor or automated garden systems, which I really love and respect. They do heaps of other stuff too, but I'm really into their STEM or STEAM education products, like the Crowtail range, which is what I'm going to be trying out. I've also started looking at their Crow panel, like their ESP based HMI displays. They make some, yeah, really, really cool stuff. But let's see what, is in here. Let's just turn it over, dump it on the bench. I hope nothing was fragile. I mean, there's a lot of wrapping, so maybe. Packing is always good. I got heaps of orders going out from this. This is awesome. What the hell? Thank you for the bubble wrap. I go through heaps of bubble wrap. That saves me a few bucks. But what is this? All right, we have this insane neck pillow. Oh, I can see how that works. That's pretty cool. So it's branded, of course. It's a really nice microfiber. My missus will be super happy that I've got one each now. But that's a really interesting design. It's quite different to the others, but I can see how it would be really supportive. So if your head's in here and that's going around your neck, it's leaving room for your ears and giving a lot of support. So that's cool. Nice design. Oh, and it's washable. All right, that is always a win. You can refill the foam and you can wash it. So excellent. Thank you for that one. We have a little, ooh, what's this? Ah, it's a phone stand. Sweet. I haven't got one of those for out here, so now I have the Elecrow one. Thank you for that. Let's focus that one a little bit more. A bookmark. I'm always happy with bookmarks. I'm reading a book called Stolen Focus at the moment, which this can go in. Very good book, by the way. Nothing to do with this channel, but a lot to do with my belief in shorts and reels and, you know, the push notifications and everything that's destroying what's good in our lives. Elecrow, make your making easier. Oh, that's cool. That's quite neat. These are post-its. Yep, excellent. Miss is going to have those. I will find them all over the house, but that's not a bad thing. We have a mouse mat. Alright, I'm definitely using this mouse mat because I need a new one in the office. Hello world, excellent. I'm very into that. And this actually shows off a lot of their product, and it's the current year. A lot of the kind of stuff they do a lot of the, what's that, the microbit sort of stuff. They do a lot of Arduino kits with that ultrasonic rangefinders there. This is excellent. Nice mouse pad, and it's slightly bigger than usual, which is what I like. I don't like those standard tiny mouse pads that are like that big and you're always going off the side, or if you're an old person like I am, you are. An anti-theft device. Alright, this is different. It's not branded. That's alright, I'm gonna have a read about this. So put in your keys, luggage bag. Alright, that'll definitely go on my luggage. Bluetooth pairs. iOS and Android, that's always good. Yeah, cool. Alright, I might have a twiddle around with that. That looks interesting, like it could be really handy. And we have this big thing. So if you weren't aware, 2024, after the Lunar New Year or Chinese New Year, is Year of the Dragon. The years, you know, wrap around every 12 years. They've got a bit of a different system to us, but yeah, that. You want to have lots of red. You want all the good luck you can get, and I was born in a Year of the Dragon, so this is pretty awesome that I now have a red pillow with Long Nyan Daji. I'll probably massacred that. Long and prosperous year of the dragon. That is excellent. I've got a Chinese mate that will love this too. Happy Chinese New Year. And you know what? I'm as pretty much 5th generation Aussie, so I'm not Chinese in Australia like some people think, but I do respect different cultures, beliefs, and China's a really old culture. They've got a lot of strong beliefs and a lot of history, whereas Australia's very young. We've been here 100 years. We've got nothing. We've got meat pies. So these sorts of things I really, really love and respect. And you know, being that I was born in the year of the dragon, working a lot with Chinese suppliers and technology, I even went out and bought myself some red underwear. So after this, I think I'll go and put my red underwear on and put this pillow on the couch and be very happy with that. So thank you, Elecrow. Do go check out their products. They have all sorts of wonderful stuff, and I'll put some screenshots here of my favorites. Affiliate link below, because it helps me out when you do buy from there. It helps out a really good company that imbue the same beliefs on their products and customers that I do, and it helps this channel out because they're supporting us too. So thank you, Annie. Thank you to the team at Elecrow. Keep making great products. I'll keep telling you that one day I'll make that video, and literally the box is right here. I'm kicking it now. That's the video I'm going to make, hopefully with the missus as well, because she's always wanted to learn robotics. Till then, enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next time round.